Hi, during this video we're going to review the new HTML5 based proof viewer. This viewer is replacing the Flash-based viewer, which will be deprecated at the end of the year. The first thing you'll notice loading a new HTML5 based proof is how much faster the proof will load. Once the proof is loaded, you'll see the new proof interface. It's darker in color and has a cleaner, fresh look. The interface is actually quite a bit more responsive. While the interface is quite intuitive, I thought it would be helpful for us to walk through some of the basic steps that you would take while participating with the proof. To comment on a proof, you'll simply click on the Add Comment button in the top center part of the screen. Once you click on that, you'll reveal a tool type and then additional options for that tool. Click on the tool type icon to change the type of tool you want to use. You can draw a rectangle, select text, have a freehand line, a straight line, an arrow, or make a highlight. Once you've selected the tool that you want to use, you can click on the color here to change the color, thickness, or opacity of the actual tool itself. In this instance, I want to keep it red, I want to bring the thickness up a little bit, and I want to make it semi-transparent. Once I've done so, I can just click the box and then make the selection I want. You'll notice that the box that I drew will be tied to a comment over here on the right side. Like the previous interface, I can type any text that I want and append it to the comment. So in this case, I want to shift the logo to the left. Please shift to the left. And hit post. When selecting text, you have a couple more options. So I'm going to go to the text select tool. I'm going to select the text that I want. You'll notice the icon change. Select iMeet Central here. And then it's going to give me a menu of different options. I can highlight it, delete it, tell it to be replaced, tell it that I want to insert, I want it to be bolded, italicized, or underlined. So if I want to replace it, I'll click Replace. You'll notice it will replace iMeet Central with, and then I can tell the system what I want it to be replaced with. As a reminder, this doesn't actually replace the text on the document itself, it just creates a note of that. So in this example, I want the correct casing for the font. I, capital M, lowercase, and hit post. When the time has come and you're ready to make a decision on a proof, simply click on the Make Decision button in the top middle side of the screen. You will have the same options as before, whether you approve a document, approve it with changes that you've highlighted in the comment thread, require changes, or mark it as not relevant, meaning the decision you have isn't relevant on this particular round. I want to approve this, and then make the decision. Other changes include the ability to search for words within a comment stream by clicking on the magnifying glass on the top right side. The side-by-side comparison tool has also been moved. You'll find the icon towards the middle on the top left side. Click on it to compare the proofs. What you will also notice is that the tabs for the different versions is gone as well. Instead of viewing the tabbed versions, you click on the down arrow next to the current version. It will give you a list of the different versions. It'll show you the option to add a new version. However, this is not where you will add the version. Doing so will take you to a login screen and you will not have the credentials to log in. Simply click back to the tab that was open before, and to upload a new version, if you are a proof owner, click on the Upload New Version in iMeet Central. Additionally, if you wish to close the Compare screen, choose the version you want to close and click the X next to the name of the file, and it'll close that version. This concludes our high-level look at the new HTML5 based proof viewer. We hope this was informative, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support at help.imeetcentral.com. Thank you.